the next item, as we work our way through Module 1, is it wants us to build an introduction to our students about what our virtual classroom that we are building here is all about. And to do that, we're going to use something called Goanimate. Now, Goanimate is more fun than a box of puppies. I don't know any other way to describe it. I'm going to go click in here, actually click into the content folder of the module. And in here, I'm down here where it says Goanimate. And it says Start Here. And you probably won't have the luxury of having it already there like I do. But again, it's that same username and password that you will be using all through the use of all these tools that we will encounter. And as you can see, it's sp102@louisville.edu, password ULIT241, login. Now, I can see everything when I log in as me, so you need to be careful here. But basically what we're going to do is start with make a video. Now, we're just making a simple video here, so you don't have to get all carried away. You can use what are called templates. The template allows you to build a video very simply, and the Goanimate will take care of putting in the backgrounds and the characters. All you do is supply what the characters say. You can change what the characters, their voices. So as you can see, it's an extremely rich environment here to build your own cartoon. So I'm going to go ahead and come down here to where it says School Chronicles Template. I'm going to do a very unimaginative Goanimate. And I'm going to click on the template. It says select a setting, choose characters, type or record your dialogue, watch your masterpiece. So I'm going to go to next. And I'm going to decide how I want to do this. I can do just simply standing in the hallway, out on the playground, in the gym, in a dorm room. I can gather that's what that is. In the classroom. And so what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and pick this one. Remember I said I'm being unimaginative. And I'm going to go next. And now I'm going to decide who my characters that I'm going to use. Now notice above me it's showing where this character is going to be located. So I'm going to try to find a character that looks like a teacher. Oh, there you go, your standard teacher. And then I'm going to go find a character that looks like a guy. You know what? I've got to add some imagination into this. There you go. Abraham Lincoln's going to be the teacher. So I'm going to go next. And now it's asking me, what do I want the characters to say? And as you can see, I'm just typing it in. It's that simple. Be aware that it does understand things like periods. Capitals, it really doesn't care, but I'll go ahead and fix them. You can hear what it sounds like if you want to. You can also trash it. You can change the voice. You can change the actor. You can select a voice. In other words, you can change who you want the person to be. Well, I'm going to stick with Lincoln. I can add an emotion into Mr. Lincoln's voice. So Mr. Lincoln can be happy to be our teacher. And the voice. Let's look at the voice. I'm not so sure about Joey. But if I want to hear what Mr. Lincoln is going to sound like, all I have to do is select it, and then I can click on it.
Oh, this is how my voice sounds like. I cannot wait to be featured in one of your movies.
And you can hear what your voice is going to sound like. Let's see what Paul sounds like.
Oh, this is how my voice sounds like. I cannot wait to be featured in one of your movies.
Let's go with Joey.
Hello, this is how my voice sounds like. I cannot wait to be featured in one of...
I don't think so.
This is how my voice sounds like. I cannot wait to be featured in one of your...
Hello, this is how my voice sounds like. I cannot wait to be featured in one of your movies.
We're going with Dave. Okay, so, oh, I didn't try Simon, but he's from Australia, so I'll go ahead. All right, so now I have it. And now I'm going to go ahead and start adding dialogue. How many can I have? You can add up to 20 dialogue lines. All you're doing is you're creating an introduction to your students about what the purpose of this little virtual classroom that we're building. I'll go ahead and pause and add some dialogue in, then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've added some dialogue in. And if I wanted to, I can go back in and change the emotion. I don't think I need to. So, next step is to preview it. This is very important to preview.
Hello students, I am your teacher. You may call me Mr. Lincoln.
Hello, Mr. Lincoln.
I hope we are going to have a great time learning fractions.
Wow, I am learning fractions from our 16th president.
I am very good at math and I hope to pass on my 6th knowledge to you.
Alrighty, so there's my little video. You'll do much better. I'm going to save it now. I'm going to give it a title. And when I have saved it, it's now going to publish it. Just publish it to everyone. And now I can share and export it. Now, just like we did with our Voki, we are going to grab the embed code and we are going to copy that. I'm going to go to my page, my home page in my wiki, where all this is ending up. I'm going to pay attention to where my blinking cursor is, my insert point. I'm going to put this below my word cloud. I'm going to use my widget again. This is how you put in all embeddable codes. And I'm going to save it. So at this point, I have a Voki, I have a word cloud, and I have a Goanimate. And the fun part about them is you can play them so they fully cover the screen.
Hello students, I am your teacher. You may call me Mr. Lincoln.
And that, my friends, is how we do a Goanimate into our wikispaces.